Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Destiny if you're new here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to get this look right here using all affordable products. And this look is also a half cut crease, so I'm going to be showing you how to do that as well using all blues, reds, and bronzy tones. So yeah, thank you all for clicking on this video. It means so much to me, so I also appreciate it if you would subscribe to my channel and like this video and leave some comments down below. So without any further ado, let's get started. I see a bunch of people do that, you know. Hey you guys, so today I'm going to be starting off with the brows, and I'm going to be using the ColourPop brow pomade in the shade Black and Brown, and I'm just going to be brushing out my eyebrows and then applying the brow pomade to my brows. Take a shot every time I say brows. Next, I'm going to be taking my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Toffee and carving out underneath my brows with a flat shader brush. Also disregard that my brows are like two different shapes, you know, the saying, sisters not twins. Next, I'm just going to be priming my eyelids with the same concealer and blending it out with this cute little beauty blender. As you can see, my Morphe brush is well loved, so I'm just going to be taking this brush and using my RCMA no color powder and setting my eyelids. Coffee break! Now I'm just going to be taking my Take Me Back to Brazil palette, and I'm using the sky blue shade as my transition color and blending it out in the crease. This is by far one of my favorite palettes for colors and all bright things because it is affordable and the pigment is amazing. Now I'm going to be taking this indigo shade in the palette, and I'm just going to be starting at my outer corner and blending it out, and then I'm going to be dragging it across the crease underneath that blue shade that we placed down and blending it out some more. Now I'm going to be taking the dark purple and black shade in the palette and blending it on the outer corner of my eyes to add more dimension to the look. So now it's time for my favorite part, which is cutting the lid, and I'm just going to be using the same concealer that I used earlier. And usually how I start my cut creases off is by finding the placement of how high I want the cut crease to go. So I usually just find the fold above my crease, and I usually just place my concealer there and then start carving it out and then filling it in. This way I won't have any transfer later on. Now I'm just setting the lid where we applied the concealer at with my RCMA no color powder, so we won't have any creasage later on. So now I'm just going to be applying this metallic ruby shade to the outer portion of our lid where we applied the concealer at for our cut crease. Next, I'm going to be applying this orange-based bronze shade and spraying it with Fix Plus and applying it to the inner portion of my eyelid. So next, I'm going to be using my Too Faced black sketch marker, and I'm not doing a wing or anything, I'm just going to be lining my lash line. This is probably the only thing in this video that doesn't lean towards the drugstore or affordable range. So now I'm just going to be using mascara and falsies, and today I'm going to be using my Maybelline The Falsies mascara and topping that off with my Ardell Double Up Lashes in the style 207. Next, I'm going to be applying my Mega Glow highlighter by Wet n Wild in the shade Precious Petals to my brow bone and topping that off with the pink duochrome shade in the palette. So next I'm just going to be applying my L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte Foundation in the shade Cocoa, and I'm just applying that all over my face. And actually I forgot to apply primer and whatnot, and I didn't realize that until I actually started applying the foundation, so it's fine, I'm fine. And next I'm just going to be using my LA Girl Pro Concealer again and using it on my highlighted areas, which is going to be my under eye, the bridge of my nose, my forehead, my cupid's bow, and my chin. So now I'm going to be taking the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Mahogany and contouring my cheeks, the sides of my nose, the sides of my chin, and my jawline. So So now I'm going to be using my damp beauty blender and blending out all the places where we applied the concealer at. First, I'm going to be using the tip side of the beauty blender and blending out my highlighted parts of my face, and then using the butt side of the beauty blender to blend out the contour shade. So now I'm just going to be using my RCMA No Color Powder again and baking my entire face. So excuse you for like applying way too much powder right here. But I'm just going to be applying the powder to my nose, my cupid's bow, my other under eye, my chin, and my forehead. And then I'm going to be outlining the contour that we did earlier. Now I'm just going to be using my L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte Powder in the shade Cocoa to wipe off any of the excess powder that's left on my face. Jig, jig, jig. So now I'm just going to be applying my powder contour to my cheeks. Then I'm going to be using it on the sides of my chin, outlining my jawline, and then contouring my nose a tad bit more. So now I'm going to be using ColourPop Super Shock Highlighter in the shade GloUp from Karrueche's Kaepop collection. I'm just using this on a beauty blender on the high points of my cheeks, my chin, my cupid's bow, my nose, and my forehead. Now I'm just going to be using my Mario Badescu Rose Water Spray to be prepping for my highlight. And I'm using my same Precious Petals highlight from before and highlighting my high points of my cheeks, my nose, my cupid's bow, my inner corner, and my chin. So next I'm going to be taking my NYX Sweet Cheeks palette and using the orange and the gold shade in the palette and brushing that on my cheeks. Now going in with that same indigo shade that we used before, I'm going to be taking it on a small pencil brush and putting that on my lower lash line. Now I'm going to be taking that bronzy shade that we used before and putting that towards the inner corner of the eye. And then I'm going to be taking this red shade in the palette and brushing that underneath to blend out the blue that we put down. Now I'm going to be using my Falsies mascara again and putting that down on my lower lashes. And now to complete the face, I'm going to be taking this NYX Dewy Finish Setting Spray and spraying it all over. Now it's time for lips. I'm going to be taking this ColourPop Ultra Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade Tulle and applying that all over my lips. This lipstick that I'm holding in my hand is Milani's matte lipstick in the shade Beauty, and it is what I'm wearing in the intro and the outro of this video. Now I'm going to be topping off the Tulle liquid lipstick with the Amore Matte Metallic Lip Cream in the shade Overdramatic by Milani. Now I'm just wiping off that lipstick, and then I'm going to be applying the Velvet Matte Lipstick in the shade Midnight Muse by NYX. Now I'm just going to be topping that off with the NYX Cosmic Metals Lip Cream in the shade Dark Nebula, and this lip combination is so freaking pretty, like I'm obsessed. Okay you guys, so this is the completed look right here, and if you all enjoyed this video, then like this video down below and subscribe to my channel, and let me know if you all want me to do a full face using all high-end products, so I can do that for you as well. And yeah, so thank you all for watching this video, and I hope you all have a blessed day, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!